Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from Netspend to Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, if somebody else is transferring money, the only thing that you need to provide them is simply your Cash App ID. Right, go ahead, provide them, they will transfer you the money. But if it's for you to simply transfer from yours to your Cash App, then all you gotta do is open up your Cash App. Go ahead, tap on this profile icon given on top right corner. From the your account section, go ahead, scroll down to the bottom till you find this option of linked banks, and then go ahead, tap on it. Now choose the option of linked bank right over there. Then tap on continue at the bottom. Then go to search bar and type in the Netspend bank. Once you get the result, tap on it. Then once you've added all of the information correctly of your Netspend bank account, then tap on that at the bottom. Once it has been linked, then go to home section and tap on this option of add cash on top left, and then over here simply choose the money that you would like to add and tap on add at the bottom. Then over here you can see the bank you linked. With that, you will be able to transfer money to Cash App and tap on done at the bottom, and you're good to go. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.